The Vice President and former military commander, General Retired Kosandro Chiwenga, is currently the front-runner in ZANU-PF's internal succession battles, according to United Kingdom-based Zimbabwean lawyer and political analyst Brighton Mutebuka. Sabena mashoko kuda panguva inonyanya kubuda pachena chonokwa kunzi Chiwenga faction now miles ahead. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina mnauzizire mubudanyo kwa mchinzi. In a strongly worded statement released on Wednesday, Mutebuka suggested that political forces within the ruling party and the state apparatus are shifting in Chiwenga's favor at the expense of President Emmerson Mnangagwa. The most likely outcome in the ZANU-PF succession race at this moment in time is that Chiwenga will emerge unable to unlock at present. All I am able to surmise that political fundamentals are aligning and gravitating towards him. Mutebuka said that much of the maneuvering is taking place behind the scenes, but signs of Chiwenga's ascendancy are becoming harder to ignore. What is particularly significant is that, for now, he is succeeding in squeezing the life of ED momentum in key political strategies that should already have been the light of the day at this point in the political calendar, he added. He argued that Mnangagwa's agenda is slowly being stalled. ED's political clock is simply being ground down quietly and efficiently, not yet to the point of achieving a shuddering halt. It must be cautioned, but ground down it is. According to Mutebuka, the clearest indicator of Chiwenga's growing influence is the conspicuous lack of parliamentary action on constitutional amendments, widely expected to benefit Mnangagwa and prolong his grip on power. Mutebuka went on to describe the unfolding situation as a season of long knives within both ZANU-PF and the border state machinery. Despite his confident assessment of Chiwenga's current advantage, Mutebuka offered a word of caution. Thomas Kwanobuda Pankuwa Inoi, Achonoko Kunz, Avibi Kosano Chiwenga Varkunzi, Iowa, General is now miling ahead, and Pankuwa Ine HAASI. In our comment section, we do some of the each. So subscribe or like,